Today we are discussing about types of folds. Actually in previous video I already discussed about what is folds. Okay? And today we are discussing about types of folds. Number 1 is anticline and syncline fold. Second one is symmetrical and asymmetrical folds. Third one is open and closed folds. Fourth one is similar and parallel folds. Next, overturned folds, chevron folds, isocline folds, monocline folds, plung and non-plunged folds. These are the types of folds. What is anticline and syncline? First of all, what is anticline? When the beds are bent upwards, the resulting fold is called anticline. This fold is convex upwards, that means surface curved like the exterior of a circle. Naturally, in such a fold, the older beds occur towards the concave side. In a simple case, the limbs are anticline slope in opposite direction with the reference to the axial plane. But when the anticline is refolded, the inclined character of limbs will be complicated. Okay, then next, what is syncline? Syncline is just opposite to anticline in its nature. When the beds are bent downwards to the resulting fold is called syncline. This fold is convex downwards. In this, the younger beds occur towards the concave side. And next one is symmetrical and asymmetrical folds. When the axial plane divides a fold into two equal halves in such a way that one half is mirror image of another. Okay. When such fold is called symmetrical fold. If the two halves are not mirror image, when the fold is called asymmetrical fold. And then open and closed folds. These are depending on the intensity of deformation. The beds of the fold may or may not have uniform thickness. If the thickness of beds is uniform throughout the fold, it is called open fold. On the other hand, in a fold, the beds are thinner in the limbs portion and thinner at crest and tuft. Such fold is called closed fold. Next, similar and parallel folds. Based on the whether the shape of the fold remains the same or altered with depth, folds are grouped as similar or parallel fold. In case of similar fold, the shape or pattern of the folds remain the same at the depth also. But in case of parallel fold, the crest and tuft are become pointed or angular like this. And then overturned fold. In simple fold, the limb shows the order of superposition, but when one of the limbs is overturned, the order of superposition of bed in the limb will be in reverse order, this like, and such a fold is called overturned fold. Okay. Next one is chevron fold. The crest and tuft of the bed are smoothly curved, but same folds have sharply bent or angular crest and crust. Sorry, angular, crest and tuft. The folds are known as chevron fold. And next one is isoclinal folds. The folds have inclined limbs. The limbs will be manually diverging or converting with reference to axial plane. Okay, but in same folds, the limbs will be manually parallel to great extent. Such folds are called isoclinal folds. These folds may be vertical, inclined, or horizontal fold. And last one, monocline folds. Okay, mono means one, clin means inclination. Okay, usually every fold has two limbs, each one which is common to the adjacent folds. But when beds show a simple bend with similar attitude on either side of it, such a fold operates to have only one limb. This is called monocline. And next last one, plunging and non-plunging folds. The plungs of a fold have already have declared as the inclination of the fold axis to the horizontal plane. Based on this, whether the axis of a fold is inclined or horizontal, the folds are grouped as plunging folds or non-plunging folds.